So I think I'm gonna start doing YouTube a lot more, bro. A lot more than I have been doing, and kind of branch off and still be doing TikTok. But I really want to focus on YouTube more, so I could just say what I need to say in these videos, bro. But I'm making this video so a lot of my followers, subscribers, whatever the fuck you want to call it, people that want to wake up and become their better self, can hear this message. This message is for you, bro. If you've been feeling like you're not good enough, or you're not your best self, my dog, this shit is a process, bro. And the more you get down on yourself, the more you get into that hole where you don't even feel like bettering yourself, bro. The first step to bettering yourself is realizing your issues and then facing them head on. That's why shadow work is so important in this spiritual journey, bro. And even if you don't write it down, because some people will tell you to write it down, even if you don't write it down, bro, just make sure you're acknowledging that your faults, acknowledging your bad habits, acknowledging your toxic traits, so you can get rid of them day by day. And I say this to say, cut off all toxic people in your life, bro. If they're not benefiting you spiritually, mentally, and want the best for you, then they're not your friends, bro. They're just acquaintances. They're just niggas that are around you for something. Like, y'all get high together, y'all get money together, y'all get bitches together. It's always something that y'all do together that makes them your friend. It's never just them being your true friend, bro. So cut off everybody that you fuck with, and then you'll see your true friends and people who actually want your best interest and truly care for you, bro. That's something I can't stress enough, bro, because people be so scared to be alone, bro. Like, you will realize your higher self once you get away from all the bullshit and just take a step back and like fall back from all these other distractions and other people that aren't benefiting you, bro. You'll truly see like people don't have shit going on for themselves inside of life besides all this matrix bot shit that we don't even want to condone ourselves. We don't even want to associate ourselves with that shit, bro, because we going on to 5D, my nigga. Anybody on this page is already going to 5D, boy, because you want to better yourself. That's the whole point of 5D, is realizing that this is not life. This is not life. Waking up, working a 9 to 5, going to a weak ass job, paying a weak ass rent, paying your bills, and doing that shit till you die is not life. That is not what the purpose of life is. And until we understand that, we will always be stuck in this 3D matrix as a society, bro. And we are the generation, I feel this in my heart with a true passion, that we are the generation to break these fucking changes. Because this ain't how we supposed to be living. And I'm not saying we gonna just go live in the wild and that's it, bro. But we need to live a lot freer than this, bro. Like, we're so trapped in these things we call homes. We're so trapped that we don't 9 times out of 10, a lot of people haven't even been out of state like more than 5 or 6 times, and that's on family trips, bro. But people haven't experienced true nature and true like life, because we're so trapped in these fucking homes, these homes, bro. They confine us to these little spaces that we call home. Our home is the fucking planet. We come from everywhere, bro. We come from everywhere. This is not our home, bro. Our home is the planet as a whole. And until we realize that shit and wake the fuck up, like, we gonna have some issues, bro. We gonna have some issues, dog. And I truly think that we need to just come together and just make our own society, fam, where we just travel. We're a society that never sits. We never stay in one spot, bro, for more than a couple months. But we just living life on the move, traveling, bro, enjoying this shit. Because at the end of the day, if you're not enjoying this shit, then why are you living? You're living a miserable life. You can't even enjoy the life you're living, and you working a job all day. Like, you can't even enjoy the shit you're doing. School, bullshit. Jobs, bullshit. Everything we know is bullshit. Now, I'm not saying drop out of school and become and just do that, bro. But if you're gonna, bro, I gotta finish school too. So if you're gonna be in school, bro, just do school, bro. But don't let school do you, bro. Don't let the system do you, bro. Always be one step ahead of the system and realizing what the hell they're trying to program you with each day while you're in school, bro. Just don't go into school thinking that this is actually all that there's the truth. Because this ain't the truth. This is the most watered down, fabricated, fucking lied truth I've ever heard, bro. And it's sad. It's sad, bro. But we just gotta come together and say we're done with this shit, fam. We gotta break the curses. We gotta be the change, my nigga. We gotta be the change, bro. And it starts with unlocking your higher self. Because once all of us unlock our higher selves and realize that this is not life, and we actually revolt and form a rebellion against this shit, we gonna see some real progress, bro. And some people don't be willing to fight for that shit because they think, oh, well, we're not. What can we do? What can we do? The first step is unlocking your higher self. Once your higher self is out, you will realize that you are a fucking god. You are a fucking beast, and you can't be tamed. You cannot be tamed. And even if they kill this flesh, you will never die. People are so attached to this fucking flesh that it is scary, bro. Because people think that once you die, that's all there is to it, and you're just gonna see black. No, nigga, you are a lot more than this meat glide that you're living in, bro. And you need to realize that shit and wake the fuck up and beast up and realize even if you do die in this world, you're not dead, my nigga. This is not the end of it. This is not the end of it. This is not the end, fam. This is not the end for you. You will not be truly dead. They might kill you in here, but they're not gonna kill you in the spirit realm, bro. Because your spirit can never die. Your soul can never die, my nigga. That shit can never die, fam. So just realize that shit and start working on yourself, bro. Work on your chakras. Work on yourself. Eat healthy, bro. Get out in nature. Start to meditate. Even if you can't meditate, bro, just do little shit that can better your life and change your life. Because once you start doing it and you build your habits and you work day by day, you'll start to see the biggest changes in your life you never even thought you could do, bro. Because you've always been programmed to think that you can't do this shit. And once you break that program and free your mind, you're gonna be the best version of yourself that you ever can be, bro. No cap, my dog. You're gonna be the best you ever can be. You're gonna be striving. People are gonna gravitate towards you because they see how good you're doing, and they want that energy in their life. Because a lot of people aren't really tuned in with themselves and their thoughts. Like they might listen to their thoughts, bro, but they not tuned in and listening to what the fuck is really going down, bro. And I say this to say, listen to yourself, bro, because 9 times out of 10 your intuition is not wrong, bro. Like your thoughts are not wrong, fam. Like just listen to yourself and listen to your thoughts, bro, because your thoughts make you, bro. But don't, okay, you are the foreseer of your thoughts. Your thoughts are not you, but your thoughts are a big part of you and how you react and how you how do I want to say this? Your thoughts are a big part in how you move in life. Your thoughts will 9 times out of 10 you manifesting your thoughts 9 times out of 10 in life, bro, and you don't even realize that shit. Hey, if I'm off topic, bro, this shit just flowing off my head, bro, but yeah, your thoughts, you manifesting your thoughts. So if you thinking positive thoughts and you only wishing the best for yourself, you always gonna get positive outcomes. If you have a negative thought, if you have a negative opinion on shit and you always looking at shit from a negative point of view, you ain't never gonna see growth in your life, my nigga. You ain't never gonna really change. Like and don't act like and don't feel like you have to be perfect and you can't cuss and you have to walk this guideline path, because this spiritual path is different for everybody because everybody has different problems, bro. So don't try to look at some YouTubers or some people who are spiritual and think because they're so just peaceful, I gotta be peaceful like that. I can't cuss at all. I can't express how I feel. No, you can express how you feel, but there's a time and place for everything. There's a time and place for everything, and you need to know when to do that shit and when to fall the fuck back. You need to know the times and when you need to express yourself truly, and the times to be empathetic and feel the sympathy for people, or to work for people, because a lot of people, they might not understand how you think and they might not agree with you, bro. So you can't, it's gonna be hard for you, because sometimes I have my moments where my ego might slip out, bro, but you just gotta realize you're more than your ego, bro. And sometimes you just gotta tell your ego to shut the fuck up. Like I be talking to my ego sometimes. Like once I feel like I'm getting out of character too much and I start to let that ego come out, I just be like, ego, shut the fuck up, nigga. Like we not fucking with you no more, bro. Because at the end of the day, nigga, the ego is what's holding you back. That's why you're so scared to start this spiritual journey, because like you scared of what niggas gonna think of you, bro. Like it's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. My thoughts is everywhere, bro. Like, cause I'm really speaking off the dome right now. It's okay, bro. But realize, bro, if they're thinking about you like that, they're not your true friends, bro. So fuck them niggas, bro. Like, let them keep thinking what they do and let them do what they do, my nigga. Like, you feel me? Like let them niggas do what they do, bro, and you make your own path, bro. And once they see how your path manifests and how you start going crazy and they want to hop on the bandwagon, and you just tell them, bro, oh, you should have fucked me back when it was early, bro. It's too late for all that shit now, bro. But I want to chill out now, bro. So I hope you took this message in, bro, and really let this shit soak in and resonate with you, bro, because I really want to start doing YouTube and really talking to y'all, bro. I'm not even gonna be looking at the camera when I do these videos, bro, because I want y'all to get the message, but don't even look at the phone. Just listen to what the fuck I'm saying, dog. Cause this shit real, and it's gonna get real. Like this election shit, it's all distractions to suck you in and lower your vibration, bro. Don't let none of this shit consume you. Don't let none of these rappers dying consume you. Don't let none of these protests consume you. Don't let none of these riots consume you. Don't let nothing consume you unless it's about yourself, my nigga. At the end of the day, be self-centered, nigga. And if it's not something to better you, be self-centered. Don't let none of this shit distract you, bro. Because at the end of the day, if the roles were reversed, they wouldn't be thinking about you. So don't be thinking about them as much as they like. Don't be thinking about them, bro. My bad if I talk fast, bro. But this just when it start flowing on my body, bro. Like I can't even slow down, bro. I gotta get it off my dome, nigga. I gotta get it off my chest, bro. But I hope y'all took this message in, bro. Let me know if y'all fucking with the YouTube or not. Honestly, if y'all not fucking with it, I'm gonna still keep doing YouTube, bro. But for me, it's always good to get other people's inputs, bro, and see how they feel about this shit. So yeah, y'all stay safe. All my free thinkers out there, keep going crazy, bro, and really work to better yourself, bro. Don't try to follow my path, bro. Follow the path that feels right to you, my nigga. Because everybody's path is different, bro. Everybody has different problems, and everybody got different struggles at the end of the day. And it's your job to break those struggles and to break free from them fucking chains, so you can be the best person you can be, my nigga. And on that note, bro, y'all stay safe, my nigga. Don't let this bot shit consume you. I don't like using the word bot, but some people are bots, and they're programmed, and they're robots. And it's true. No matter how much I hate the word and how much stigma is behind the word, this shit is facts, my nigga, and we can't deny that shit. Y'all stay safe. All my free thinkers, I love y'all, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm gone, my nigga. Stay up.